Okay, let's talk about word sitting in buildbox 4. If you go to the simple mind map, you can see we have two views, screen view or all mind map. You can go in. I want to explain a start and a word map, but I recorded a video previously in a buildbox 3 and I give you a link to that lesson. All of the settings are the same. I explained it before. You can refer to that. But settings that will be added in buildbox 3 is a simple fog and the scenes randomized here. Okay, this is our view, and you can simply enable fog, and it's add a fog in your scene. In a classic way, in the buildbox 3 we have a classic that you have to use the start scene. For example, from 0 means from camera to the far distance that you selected, or if you select advanced, it's creating a fog, an overall scene with these settings. You can change the background color from here. Use background color if you don't want in the fog. You can turn it off and make sure that you're refreshing. Fog color, if you turn it off, you can change the fog color. You can change the fog color here, for example, something like that. That's better. For example, and then it's a fog fall off. If you don't have any fall off, it's completely override that, and it's a fall off means it's actually add a fall off and smooth in your objects. Density, if you're more less dense or very high fog, you can add animation. You can see we have an animated fog here. You can turn it off or on. A fog animation scale means the frequency of this movings of fogs. Scale down, you have more smaller part of the group of the fog that are moving. Fog animation scale is actually you can see its speed of your fog, higher speed or lower. Fog high limit, you can see it limited to the high, but you can turn it off or on. Nice. You can limit it at a high or not. Fog density and fog gradient start. Oh, I have to refresh it. It has a gradient from the thicker color to thinner color, and you can change the gradient start and end. Gradient means from a saturated colors go to, or from the other color go to another color, but in this case the fog is changing. You can see if you're going that scene, you can see it better. Nice. But I think the fog in this software is not good. Okay, just they're adding this fog setting and change it their setting to better understanding then. All of the distance are from the camera. Okay, I'll give you for other settings, give buildbox 3 tutorial links to learn more about that. And in the start, we don't have anything else.